excited to go and check out 180 Studios. Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog, Natalka Design vlog. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous greenery. So today guys, I'm excited to go and check out 180 Studios. The exhibition is called Reverb, the vinyl. So apparently it's all about music and the history of it and cultural moments in music and all that good stuff. So I don't want to say more, I don't want to know more. I just want to go and have a quick look. So let's see. One of my friends spent there like 3 hours. She said it's like, oh my god, you're gonna love it. And a few of my friends said that was quick. It was really quick for me. So let's see how I get on. I'm going to show you a few little bits and pieces because I'm nice like that, especially if you are not in London and you can't see the exhibition. I think it's always lovely to just at least have a sense, because sometimes photographs don't give much away, which obviously that's what we want to be in person. But if not everyone is in London, I totally respect that. So here I am being the journalist that I am for you guys, and I'm gonna check it out. So come with me, let's go. Studios and enjoying the whole exhibition. It's a lot of videos, it's a lot of things to watch, so if you're into that and if you really like documentary style exhibitions, it'll be definitely for you. There's some AI little treatments and creations, there's 100 vinyls that are super famous. It's fun, it's really cool. Now, is that my favorite exhibition of 180 Studios? Don't think so. I think the UVA before was literally one of my favorite in my life, and I would go again if I could, and again and again. I think I'm more into immersive type of exhibitions rather than looking at videos and watching them. I find that for some reason it's less engaging, less exciting. I feel like I can do that at home. I know it's not the same, but you know, I'll bring you always the thoughts that I have and always the feedback that I have. And I'm curious to hear yours. If you get to see it, if you get to come to London and enjoy the exhibition, do let me know what you think. Maybe it is actually your favorite for different reasons. So yeah, but I'm learning more and more. I love immersive exhibitions. I love to go through the exhibition. I love to touch things. I love to feel things on my skin. I love to hear things, but in a way where I am part of that creation. So this feels to me a bit too flat and too separated from me, as if I'm just coming in to watch few documentaries and few videos. Nothing wrong with that, super interesting stuff, especially love the 80s, 90s Great Britain music scene and all that stuff, really interesting. But I wouldn't necessarily come back or go to see it at an exhibition, if that makes sense. So yeah, these are my little few thoughts. Thanks for coming with me. Very interesting, always down for exploring different exhibitions at 180, but not my favorite so far. Let me know what you think in the comments below, if you've been, if you would like to go, and what are your thoughts. See ya! One thing I will say I loved, maybe I'm a bit biased, but hey, I love the artist as Devlin. She did like a beautiful visual projector screen thing, and all her sketches from her work, well, I don't know if recent or all of it, her stage design work have been put on the screen, and you could just pick up any sketch you like. Of course I took an Adele one because I love it, because she worked with Adele on her stage presence and stage design. And some of them are apparently signed, as far as I could see. I didn't find any signed, but it was really cool. So she was just talking about her childhood actually and her process and things like that. So it was really lovely and immersive. Her voice is very soothing, so I love that one, I have to say. But again, maybe I'm biased, maybe, I don't know, but every time there's S. Devlin, I am very excited to be there. So for that, if you're a big fan of hers, it's worth going.
Sanitation, taxes, spending, and they hire county employees. Basically, they run shit. And check this out, when she got sworn in the office, do you think she placed her hand on the Bible?
No.
The Quran?
No.
With an Afro run.
Without this music, there will be no peace, no love, no vision. By simply communicating through sound, techno has brought people of all different nationalities together under one roof to enjoy themselves.
Sides of myself I offer to the air. The more facets of us, refracted and reflected, dance around us, glimmering, mesmerizing.